Here you can see I've started cutting the sidewall studs that are going to be placed on the half wall at 16 inches on center. And the good thing about the angles that I need to cut here is everything's at a 45-degree angle where the rafters are, which includes that top plate that you see there that the studs are leaning against. So again, I believe these were about 53 inches tall, and then I just had to measure to that point and then cut back at 45 degrees, and then they all went into each space quite well. I went ahead and pre-cut all of these prior to attaching them to the half wall. That way I can just go in and quickly fasten them using deck screws and nails, etc. To get those all into place. Here's a view looking back down the wall with all the studs cut and in place, ready to be fastened. And once these are all in place, we can start putting the insulation in the wall here. The next video you're going to see here is the explanation of how all the insulation went in and some progress on that piece of it. So let's get right into the video. You can see here that we have put up sidewalls all the way on the back side of the bonus room, or the right side, and it goes all the way down to the end. They're all secure into place, solid. We are connected, and just to show you what's going on, I even put a strip of insulation in. And what's really going to be good about this is we've got that R19 insulation I had mentioned before in 2x4 walls, but this time there's plenty of room on the back side of it to expand. And here's what I was talking about before. You see how it expands about 1.5 inches extra? That's because R19 insulation is made for 2x6 walls. So if you add another 1.5 inches or 2 inches onto this to get your 5.5 inches for a 2x6, you'd be right there perfectly. So we're going to get that extra insulation value on this wall. And then if you look around to the other side, I have already started putting some 2x4s in there. So we've got enough lumber here to finish up this side of the wall. And then we will start looking at some HVAC work that's going to go up here. And then also moving these lights down. And then I'm considering putting in a surround sound system. Don't know about that yet. While I'm here, I could pre-wire all the speaker wire and everything, but I don't know if I want to go through that hassle. So we just may do a sound bar, and that'll probably be good for up here. So we'll see. I've got a little bit of time before I need to make that decision. But anyways, we've got very good progress here over the last couple of days, and we're going to be moving on. So we will see everyone in the next video. Until then, peace out.